If your rear view mirror is still tiny, glare-prone, and basically useless at night, it's time for an upgrade. In this video, I'm counting down the top 5 digital rear view mirrors you can grab on Amazon right now, ranked by video quality, night vision, and the everyday stuff that actually matters. Links to all of these are in the description. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Wolfbox G900 Pro Rear View Mirror. The Wolfbox G900 Pro uses a Sony Starvis 2 IMX78 sensor, the kind of sensor tech you'd normally see in higher-end cameras, and it shows in the recordings. The front camera captures full 4K at 3840 by 2160, while the rear sits at 2.5K, 2560 by 1440. That means sharp detail on both ends. License plates are readable from a distance, and street signage stays legible even at night. Night performance is where this one really separates itself, since plenty of budget mirrors struggle badly here. The Starvis 2 sensor handles dim conditions noticeably better than most competitors in this price range, and the 7-element glass lens adds to that clarity. It's not just a spec sheet claim, you can see the difference in actual footage. Installation is simple. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen clips directly over your existing mirror, so there's no drilling or permanent modification. The interface runs smoothly, and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi means quick transfers to your phone through the Wolfbox app. Check the description for the link if you want a closer look. Pros. Sony Starvis 2 gives exceptional night clarity. 128GB SD card included right out of box. Fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, plus voice control built in. Front 4K plus rear 2.5K best dual resolution here. Cons. Parking mode needs hardwire kit separately. Premium price, not the cheapest option. Number 2. Wolfbox G840S Rear View Mirror. Still a Wolfbox product, but this version is aimed at people who want the big 4K screen experience without paying flagship pricing, and it delivers well. The G840S keeps the same 4K UHD front camera at 3840 by 2160 as the G900 Pro, but pairs it with a 1080p rear camera instead of 2.5K. That's the main trade-off, and yes, you'll notice it if you compare footage directly, but for typical day-to-day driving, the rear quality still holds up fine. The standout feature is the display itself. That 12-inch screen offers roughly 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror. It's a real upgrade, not a token screen bolted onto a mirror frame. A split-screen view lets you watch front and rear feeds at once, and the 2.5D curved glass blends into the cabin nicely instead of looking like an obvious add-on. Lens angles are generous too. 170 degrees up front, 140 in the rear, which meaningfully cuts down blind spots, especially useful for trucks and SUVs. For night driving, it relies on a WDR and HDR combo along with a 6-element lens. It doesn't quite match the Starvis 2 performance of the G900 Pro, but it still manages glare and low light better than most mirrors at this price tier. Pros. 4K front camera at a friendlier price. Massive 12-hour screen, 1.5x standard mirror size. Wide 170-watt, 140-degree lenses cut blind spots dramatically. Wi-Fi, GPS, and 3220 by card included in box. Cons. Rear camera only, 1080p noticeable versus G900 Pro. Parking mode still requires separate hardwire kit. Number 3. PELSI P12 Pro Max Rear View Mirror. The PELSI P12 Pro Max does something none of the others on this list do. It ships with both an OBD hardwire kit and a 128GB SD card included. That means it's ready for parking mode monitoring right out of the box, with no extra trip to Amazon needed. On the camera side, you're getting a 4K front camera with the same Sony Starvis 2 IMX78 sensor found in the G900 Pro, plus a Sony IMX335 sensor at 2.5K in the rear, two Sony sensors total, which is a genuinely premium combo. Safety tech is well covered as well, with ADAS handling forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and pedestrian detection, plus BSD for blind spot monitoring. So it's actively watching the road, not just recording it. You can control it three ways: touchscreen voice commands or the PELSI Cam app, and Wi-Fi runs dual band, 2.4 and 5.8 gigahertz for flexibility depending on your phone. Pros: hardwire kit plus 128 GB card included, parking ready. Dual Sony sensors, front IMX678, rear IMX335, full color night vision even during parking mode, ADAS plus BSD safety alerts built right in. Cons: PELSI less established than Wolfbox brand, dual band Wi-Fi slightly slower than rivals at 12 MHz. Next up is ASDOM PG-17 Max rear view mirror. Camera specs are competitive across the board, 4K front and 2.5K rear, both recording at 30 frames per second. What really sets this one apart is the safety feature stack. It combines ADAS, BSD, and LCA, lane change assist, all in a single unit. That covers forward collision warnings, pedestrian detection, lane departure alerts, blind spot monitoring, and lane change alerts. A notably full suite for a mirror dashcam, since many competitors either skip LCA or charge more for it. There's also an AR overlay on the rear display, which adds some visual polish, plus an on-screen speed readout that's genuinely handy on longer drives, a small but clever design detail, an anti-glare film on the screen that you can leave on to cut glare from headlights behind you, or peel off if you prefer a more traditional mirror look while the camera keeps recording underneath. You also get 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, 10 voice command options, GPS tracking, and a 64 GB SD card included. ASDOM backs it with solid customer support too. It doesn't quite match the G900 Pro's video quality since it skips the Starvis 2 sensor, but between the price and the depth of safety features, it's a strong contender. Pros: IDAS plus BSD plus LCA, most safety alerts here, AR overlays and live speed display on screen. Anti-glare film doubles as physical mirror option, 10 voice commands, most in the lineup. Cons: sensor not Starvis, 2 levels slightly behind top 2, only 64 GB card included versus 128 GB elsewhere. Last one on the list is Autovox V5 Pro rear view mirror. The Autovox V5 Pro skips the 4K race entirely, running dual 1080p cameras front and rear with a Sony IMX307 WDR sensor. On paper, that sounds outdated, but this mirror has a feature none of the others offer: a fully laminated screen. In practice, that means there's no air gap between the screen glass and the display panel underneath. Every other mirror on this list has that small gap, which scatters light and causes glare in sunlight or bright lots. Eliminating it makes the image look sharper and more like an actual mirror rather than a tablet stuck to your windshield, a difference that's especially noticeable on sunny days. The other major differentiator is the OEM bracket mount. Rather than using rubber straps that can shift or wobble, this fully replaces your factory mirror via a bracket system with 4 included adapters covering roughly 90% of vehicles. The result is a stable, vibration-free fit that looks like it came installed from the factory, appealing if you want a clean interior without an obvious aftermarket look. Pros: fully laminated screen, zero glare, air gap. OEM bracket mount looks completely factory built. Fusebox powered, no charger clutter needed. Smart battery protection, auto shuts after recording. Cons: only 1080p, well behind the 4K 2.5K competition. Smaller 9.35 screen versus 12 on others. If you want the absolute best image quality and don't want to compromise on anything, the Wolfbox G900 Pro is the winner. Starvis 2 sensor, 4K front, 2.5K rear, 128 GB included. It's the best all-around package on this list. If you want that same Wolfbox quality but spend a bit less, the G840S is your move. You drop from 2.5K to 1080p on the rear camera, but you still get that massive 12-inch screen and solid 4K front recording at a genuinely better price. For the driver who wants the most safety features built in and everything ready right out of the box, the PELSI P12 Pro Max is the one. Hardwire kit included, dual Sony sensors, full-color parking night vision, seriously strong value. If active driver assistance is your priority lane change alerts, blind spot detection, the whole suite, the ASDOM PG-17 Max covers more safety ground than anything else here. And if you want the cleanest looking install that doesn't scream aftermarket mod, the Autovox V5 Pro is honestly unmatched. Fully laminated screen, OEM bracket, fuse box powered. It just looks like it belongs there. Hopefully this helped you figure out which one actually fits your situation because they're all good, just for different reasons. All the links are in the description if you want to grab any of these for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.